Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Side Settings because that's where the console controls networking. Once you're in Network Settings, you'll see your current connection and wireless options. Make sure your controller is paired and responsive. Now select the Network Settings tile to open Details. This is the first actionable step that takes you directly into connection controls. Doing this lets you either go offline or modify the saved Wi-Fi, which prevents automatic reconnection later. So proceed to the next step to actually disable the wireless link. Once done opening network settings, you have two clean options. Choose Go Offline to immediately drop internet access, or Open Wireless Network, select the connected SSID, and pick Forget to remove credentials. Choosing Go Offline is quick. Forgetting the network prevents automatic reconnection later. Make sure to confirm any prompts and watch the connection status switch to offline or disconnected. After the console indicates no wireless connection, proceed to verify physical and software settings so the change sticks across reboots. You finish by verifying the network settings show offline or no wireless connection. That confirms success. If the Xbox reconnects automatically, restart the console to apply the change and recheck settings. Make sure Instant on Power mode isn't restoring network access. Switch to energy saving if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if Wi-Fi keeps returning, forget the SSID, reboot your router. Then power cycle the Xbox. This clears cached credentials and forces a clean state so the wireless stays off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.